So here we have x over 3 plus 1 plus x is equals to 2 times x plus 4 over 3. These two terms of 1 and plus x can be written as fractions by writing it as over 1. And now the LCD, the lowest common denominator between these four fractions, is 3. So the LCD is equal to 3. And I can multiply everywhere with 3. So it will be 3 times x, 3 times 1, 3 times x. And then on the right-hand side, I'll have 3 times the whole 2x plus 4. The reason why we multiply out with the LCD is that will allow us to get rid of the fractions. So the first term, the 3's will cancel out, so I'm left with x. In the second term, we have 3 times 1 over 1, and that is equals to plus 3. In our third term, we have 3x over 1, so that is simply 3x. On the right-hand side, the 3's will cancel out as well, so we have 2 times x plus 4. So on the left-hand side, I can add up like terms. So I have 4x plus 3. And on the right-hand side, I'll multiply out. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 4 is 8. Now I would move my x's to the left and my constant values to the right. So I have 4x minus 2x. Remember, when you move things over the equation sign, that positive value becomes a negative value. And if I move the 3 over, I have 8 minus 3. So on the left, I have 2x is equals to 5. And in order to solve for x, I'll divide everywhere by 2. So x would be equal to 5 over 2. Or we can say 2.5.